Nagkakilala kami when we were 16 years old. May nagpakilala sa amin. Nagkaroon kami ng dating foursome. That time, lagi kami nagkikita ngayon. At 17, lagi kami lumalabas. 1970, bata pa kami, 17. Nalaman ko, sinabi niya sa akin na nga magkakabibi kami.
Ayun, pag-meet namin, hindi na kami naghiwalay. Ganun kabilis. Nung bata tayo, ano sabi ng tao? Nako, 1 year lang yan, maghihiwalay na yan. Ang babata nag-asawa. So ngayon, ngayon alam nila, 55 years na.
Natandaan ko, time na yun, simbahan lang kami kinasal. Pagkatapos, doon na rin yung handaan namin, ang reception. Ang handaan namin noon, pandesal, tapsilog, yun na uso nun eh. Tsaka biglaan nga ang kasal namin. Okay na, nakaraos kami. Akala ko magkaroon ka ng mga anak na kagaya ng ni Ryan at ni Dondi, parehong lalaki. Akala namin, ako, pagtagal-tagal nito, hindi tayo maalagaan. Baliwala tayong siyempre mag-aasawa, may family na yun. Pero nagkamali kami dahil sobrang babait ng mga anak namin. Kahit 2 lalaki lang sila, very supportive sila, thoughtful, at saka talagang mahal na mahal kami. Mahal na mahal din namin sila. Silang successful ngayon at nakapag-asawa ka ng mababait, supportive na mga babae. Si Mario at si Juday, sila, very close sa amin, mahal na mahal namin. Proud na proud kami sa kanila.
After the pride, after the fall, the hands of mercy open wide. After the rain, after the flood,
55 years ka ng kasal, ha? Renewal of vows lang to. Hindi natin patatanggihin yung pride. Posasa ko yung asawa mo.
The God who was and is to come has been
nyo, 55 years? Talaga, idol ka namin.
After all these years, you've never given up. After all these years, you're constant with your love. It amazes me. After all you've done, it amazes me. You're still running after us. After the cross.
So after 25 years and 50 years, the love is brighter, sweeter, and more grace-filled.
Sa wife ko, sobrang bait yan. Kaya nga ako straight eh. Dahil sa kanya, na-appreciate ko yung pagka-aalaga sa akin. Yung pagka-akala mo straight eh, pero hindi, parang kabutihan ko. Kabutihan ng family namin.
years. You've never given up after all these years. You're constant with your love. It amazes me after all you've done. It amazes me you're still running after us.
Dondi, do you renew your commitment to Malu, your wife?
Yes, I do. Yes na yes, Father.
Malu, do you take Dondi here present again as your husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you commit yourself to him again?
Yes, I do again, Father.
Again and again.
Well, soon time na ito, magkakaroon kami, abot kami ng 55 years. At kasama pa rin namin yung mga anak namin. Hindi kami nakakalimutan. Pati yung mga apo namin.
After all these years, you've never given up. After all these years, you're constant with your love. It amazes me after all you've done. It amazes me you're still running after us. It amazes me after all you've done. It amazes me you're still running after us. After all
Very happy kami. At inabot namin itong golden anniversary plus 5.
O, basta ngayon, 55 years, ganun pa rin. Mahal na mahal pa rin kita.